Yo, what's up YouTube? Back again. I'm going to show you how to delete the TORS system on the blaster. So, first things first. Don't cut anything down here. You see down here? Don't cut anything down here. All you have to do is unplug this wire that goes from here, comes down here to this. Just unplug this yellow with a black stripe and a black wire. Just unplug it. That's all you have to do is unplug it. Don't cut anything down here. You don't have to cut anything. Don't tap anything to anything down here, because I see a lot of videos, people are like, oh yeah, just tap these two together. Don't do it. You don't have to do that. What you have to do is this wire here, this yellow with the black stripe and black one, you want to tie these two together. See what I did there? See how they're twisted together? And this went up to this, the throttle wire. See that? So this wire, you just leave this disconnected, and the one that goes back down, you want to tie these two together. The one that goes to the throttle, just leave it disconnected or just take it out. You just put these two together and that's it, you're done. It's that simple. You don't have to cut anything down here. You know what I mean? You don't have to do all that. Now, another thing, if your quad is bogging out and you're hitting the gas, parking brake, see this wire? This wire will make you nuts. It'll drive you nuts. So, if there's something wrong here with this parking brake, you will just hit the gas. It'll just go bing, 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 bing. It won't even rev. It just won't go anywhere. It'll drive you nuts. You'll rip out the carburetor, you'll do this, do that, and it'll just drive you insane. So check this. Always disconnect this wire. You see this wire here? Disconnected. Unplug it. You don't need it. So unplug the parking brake wire if you ever have another issue with it bogging out. So check those two things. Like I said, the throttle, the TORS, this wire here, you don't need it. It just goes up to here. Just disconnect it or just leave it here, whatever. The one that goes back down, just tie these two together like I did here. You just have to loop them. So you just loop them and you're good. Don't cut anything down here. You could just unplug it, whatever. You don't have to unplug it, but you can, and you can take this off. But you don't have to cut anything down here. So just unplug it, and then you can remove this if you want to delete that. So it's that simple. And you can just get a different, throttle cable or whatnot for that. I didn't do that yet, but I just wanted to show you how to delete the TORS system. It's very simple. You take this cover off, this cover that goes here, follow this wire down, okay? You just cut this and leave this side, take this side that goes to the throttle off, and just loop these like I did. That's all you have to do. Done. It's that simple. I couldn't find a video clear enough. Everyone's mumbling, yada 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 and all this stuff. It's that simple. Alright, peace and hair grease. See ya. Like and subscribe.